Hello everybody, this is AutoTecPro. So today we're going to show you how to update your Android 10 system back to how it was if you did a factory reset and you want to get it back to the interface of how you received it. So after downloading the APK file from our website for the Android 10, you're going to put it on a USB stick. You're going to insert it in the USB port. All right. You may have it in your glove compartment, or you can use the one directly behind the unit. So you see, it picks up the recognizes the USB. Okay, perfect. Click on the home button, takes you to this menu. Okay, you're gonna scroll across and look for File Manager. Click on File Manager, right? Local is the system itself, USB 1 is our USB. You're gonna scroll down. Well, the files will be on your USB. Android 10. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to install the car launcher, right? So you're gonna get the car launcher first. Install. Do not press done. You're gonna click on open. Okay. If you click on done, it will not be installed. So you have to click on open. Skip across. Close. Allow display over the other apps. Turn on. Okay. Click on the home button. Wait, you should see this notification. Read properly. Don't just select always. Look at the car launcher that matches the one that you installed, which is this one. Click on car launcher. Okay, click on the home button again. Use car launcher as home. Remember the icon, always. Click on home button again until you don't see. Okay, click on these three bars right there, dots, interface, exit car launcher with back button. Untick that one. Go back once, scroll down, home screen theme. Select, and then you can select the theme that you would like. We normally select this theme, where it's a lot simpler and easier to use, right? So to put the shortcuts here, you click on add. You can scroll down. How we do from the factory is navigation, Bluetooth, Bluetooth music, Z-Link, which is CarPlay. We're going to change the name as well. Radio, music, video, and settings last. Okay, now to change the name, all you have to do is hold it down, tap on the blue line where it's at, erase, after typing in the name, click on done and click on rename, and there it is, CarPlay. Alright, now you're going to continue installing the other applications for the Android 10. So whatever other applications you would like, you can install from the our website of the application that you choose, whether it's YouTube, SiriusXM, Spotify, all those. And to install, all you have to do is just tap on the screen just like the car launcher, and that's it basically. And if you did a factory reset, you're going to need to go into the factory settings of the system to set it back up, right? I'm going to show you that as well. So these are how you install the applications onto the system, right? Okay. Click on the home button, takes you to this menu. Click on settings, car settings, base settings. Okay, for the base settings, the shutdown delay when ACC is off is the auto sleep, which turns off and on the system. So you want to put that one on 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes after turning off the vehicle and no one is using the system, it should power down on its own, right? Okay, the Navi prompt mode should be on sound switch, not mix, switch. Okay, and the application map, you can choose your application map, the default map application to your preference. If you want it to be iGo map, Google map, or any other application as be, depending on your preferences. Okay, night brightness you can turn up to your preference as well. We normally put it at 100%. Okay, factory settings. You have two settings for the factory settings, which need to be enable sleep mode should be off. So let's check the enable sleep mode. and that's 4000122. On this setting, you're not going to change anything else except to look for enable sleep. If the enable sleep is on, turn it off. It should be off. Okay, remember, enable sleep, turn it off. Go back one time. Now we're going to go into the factory settings. 1 2 1 2 1 2 triple 12. All right, radio area depending on where you're located. Normally we supply to the States and Canada. We normally put on USA 1. If you're in the States or in Canada, you can use USA 1. RDS enable on. Okay, and you're going to click on ARM setting here and look for three-way calling, Bluetooth three-way calling. Turn on the Bluetooth three-way calling, and that's basically it for the setting about the factory settings. These are the Bluetooth microphone volume. You can adjust depending on if you're having any issues with the volume and all that stuff, right? Also the logo here as well. You can scroll through to select your logo for the vehicle you have. This one is for Toyota, so we're going to select the Toyota logo. Here's the Toyota logo. Just hold it down and it's selected. And that's basically it for the, and after you finish, it's going to ask you when you're coming back out of this menu, it's going to ask you to save and reboot. To apply all these settings that you have changed, you have to click on the reboot. Okay, and that's how it applies all the settings that you have changed. So that's how you install the car launcher to set it back up how it was from the factory. We're going to show you how to connect to the internet and make sure that the CarPlay is activated. So right now it's not connected to any internet network. We're going to connect it to our company's Wi-Fi. Click on settings here, network and internet, Wi-Fi. We're going to use the company's Wi-Fi, AutoTecPro. Okay, it's connected. There it is, shows the sign right there. Go back. And we're going to open the Z-Link application or CarPlay. Take a look at this logo. Here we change the name to CarPlay. On the other menu you might see it as Z-Link, but it's the same application. So just click on the Z-Link application, open up. If your Z-Link is showing like this, then that means it's activated. If it's asking you for a QR code or showing you a QR code, that means it's not activated. So this is one way of testing if the Z-Link is activated or not. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network that is working and open the Z-Link application. To test the Wi-Fi, you can either open like a Google Maps or your Play Store or YouTube and test the internet connectivity. Yep, so the internet is working on this one. Perfect. And you just open the Z-Link application and that's it. So this Z-Link is activated. If you have any further questions, you can feel free to email or call us. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.